don't know. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like I can do it. I'm feeling strong today.
And that was me, nearly 18 months ago. But now, nearly 2 years later, since that day, and 53 kilograms lost, I can safely say that that was the best decision that I've ever made in my entire life.
Hi, Gichu family. Welcome to Ula Trending Mzansi. This is Gugu Gumede, one of Mzansi's best actresses. Well, we knew her for her being a chubby girl, and Mzansi loved her acting skills. And most of the times, she would get roles for Abo Mama, like such as Uzalo. She was known as Umam Lambo, and she nailed that role. People used to think that she was actually older than how she looked. Kandai Bandla Okukugumete, she's just a young girl who was a bit chubby, but then she underwent a weight loss surgery or a weight loss journey, but that got her to losing 58 kilos, which is actually amazing. And of course, Yazi Mzansi, they cannot just let you be. They started criticizing her and mocking her, basically bullying her for losing weight, saying that they preferred the other Mamlambu than this new Gugu Gumede, forgetting that a person chooses whatever that they want for their bodies. And let us admit, she still looks pretty. She's beautiful. I mean, she's still going to get jobs and she's going to nail whatever role that she gets. That's it for today, episode. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.